First, we need to install Python. Just go to Google and type in Python and then click on downloads. Just get the standalone download for Python, the latest version, at the time you're watching this video. It's going to start downloading, just wait for this to load. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. You want to tick the box, add python.exe to path, and then tick use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and then click on install now, and then click on yes. It's going to start installing, just wait for this. Once it's been installed, select disable path length limit, and then click on yes, and then close. Next, you want to go to search and type in cmd. Now, you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Once we're here, you want to type in python.exe space -m space pip space install space -- upgrade space pip, and then click on enter. That will make sure you have the latest version of pip installed. Now we're going to type in py space -m space pip space install space matplotlib, and then click on enter. It's now going to start installing it on Python. Now once that's been done, you're going to have Matplotlib installed on Python.